Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the newbies that are just checking this channel out. My name's Dr. Dom, and welcome to Stress Kicker. I am a stress kicker. So, the whole goal of this channel is to provide you different solutions to help you effectively kick stress where it counts. And my also goal is to give you content Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Monday, Mindset Mondays. Wednesday, Wellness Wednesdays, and Friday, Financial Fridays. So this today is, although it's not Friday because I had some technical difficulties, it's Financial Fridays. And today's topic is about affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, for those of you that don't know what it is, I'm going to give it to you in a nutshell. It's basically getting paid a commission for recommending products to peeps. That's it. And there's nothing shady about it. It's, in fact, like Amazon. Amazon Associates is Amazon's affiliate program. So, recommending one of their products on Amazon and somebody buys through your link, you get a commission for it. Walmart's another biggie. So, you can get commission for recommending some of Walmart's products. So, look into it. Check out some different retail stores, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll usually see an affiliate tab there. So you can check that out. And the commissions range anywhere from 5%-ish all the way to 100%, which is sweet when you get products like that. So the point of this is to bring more, giving you different solutions to give you, your household, more money, right? And so giving you different ways to do that, and affiliate marketing is just, it's a super awesome way to do that. I love it. And one of the things I love is that there's no extra cost to the consumer if you buy through my link. The one thing I will say to you is that make sure when you're looking into an affiliate program that you're going to promote, that it's something that you can speak to. The things that I recommend are things that I've either used myself or I continue to use, and that I can talk to people about, and so that you know that I can speak to it. So I would encourage you to do the same thing. You don't have to, but I would encourage you to do that. So find a product that makes sense for you to promote, that you can speak to, and whether it's a physical product or it's a digital product, a book, a course, a service, whatever, make sure it's something that you can speak to. So my number one affiliate product that I'm going to recommend today is something called Fearless Mama. And the things I love about Fearless Mama is that it's made by a woman who's very down to earth. And she takes you, especially if you're a newbie, takes you step by step and shows you how to be an effective affiliate marketer. Now, the commission for this is 100% commission when somebody buys this product. And it's a higher ticket sale, but you can make, as the affiliate, $250 if somebody buys through your link. So that's my number one right now is something called Fearless Mama. There'll be a link in the description below. I encourage you to just check it out, and there's no obligation. You go through the opt-in, you put your email in, and watch some of the videos that she explains, and if it makes sense to you, cool. And if it doesn't, that's okay too. You know, we just move on. I'm going to give you, again, continue to give you different things that you can implement to make money. Either most of it's going to be online, but give you all different solutions to make more money, so that you don't have more month than you do money, because that creates a lot of stress and it sucks ass, right? So this is just one of the ways to do that, guys. In fact, I'm also, while I think about it, I'm in the process of creating an affiliate marketing book, affiliate marketing Bible for newbies. And I'm working very hard to get that out by hopefully next week. So what I'm going to recommend you do is smash the subscribe button so that more people can see this content. That would be awesome. and hit the notification bell so that when I do release new videos, and I do release the video about the affiliate marketing ebook, you will get notified. Savvy? Cool. So, affiliate marketing, there'll be more about it, but I highly recommend you check out the link that's in the description to learn a little bit more. And stay tuned, because I'm going to be giving you more information to help you guys kick stress where it counts in regards to finances. So until next time, guys, keep on kicking. Peace.